What's up, guys? Today I'm just going to go over a quick installation on rear fender liners 2017 F250 SuperDuty. It's just going to be before and after. This is the part number I ordered. Tools I need: 7mm. Here are the clips, the directions. Go over there really pretty quick. Fender liner for this side and the one on the ground. So directions are pretty simple. You got these 3 clips, and what they have you do is put a clip in this hole, in this hole, and in this hole, and then your fender will screw to it. Notice the difference between this hole and here, so it's only the oval ones get the clips. Show you after the install. It's pretty much just put the clips in, press it up there, and fasten it real quick. Another before. Before. And let me back up so you can see. All right, real quick, I just want to show you that these just press in. Pretty simple to install. That's all there is to it. All right, so next, I've pushed the fender line up into the wheel well. They give you these plugs to put in addition to the screws. I'm going to go ahead and put these in. There's one that goes here, one that goes here, and one that goes there. All right, plugs are in. They just pushed in. Next up are the screws. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna get those in and go to the other side. All right, here we are installed. I like the way it's blacked out the wheel well. Driver's side.